Okay, the first thing I'm going to do to solve this equation is I'm going to first determine what the least common denominator is. Here you have 6, a 4, a 3, and a 2. Okay, so the prime factorization of 6, that's 2 times 3. The prime factorization of 4, that's 2 times 2. Prime factorization of 3, well, 3 is a prime number, and 2 is a prime number also. So here, to find the least common denominator, you have to ask yourself the greatest number of times that a 2 occurs in any one of these factorizations. That's right here. And then the greatest number of times that a 3 occurs in any one of these factorizations. That's right here. It only occurs once. So the least common denominator of 2, 3, 4, and 6 would be the product of those numbers that I have circled. 2 times 2 times 3. This is 4 times 3. The least common denominator is a 12. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the least common denominator on both sides of the equation. Okay, use the distribution property. Go to 12 times this fraction. That's 12 times m over 2. 12 times a negative 1/3. Then on the right side, we're going to do the same thing. Distribute this 12 to each of these terms in parentheses. 12 times 1/4. 12 times m over 6. Okay, so if you want, you can write these 12s as 12 over 1. That helps you out. Okay, 12 over 1 times m over 2. Well, I can simplify this. 2 goes into itself once. It goes into 12 6 times. I have 6 times m left over. That's 6m. Minus 3 goes into itself once. It goes into 12 4 times. I have 4 times 1 left over. 4 goes into itself once. Goes into 12 3 times. I have 3 times 1. And then one more. 6 goes into itself once. It goes into 12 2 times, and I have 2 times m left over. That's a 2m. Now what we want to do is we want to get the variable terms on one side and everything else on the other side. So what I'll do is go ahead and subtract 2m here from both sides, and then just rewrite this. 6m minus 2m, that's 4m. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. 4m is equal to 7. Last thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by a 4. M is 7/4.